Hello! In this video, I'll guide you on how to install the Trupeer Chrome extension on the Edge browser. First, go to the Trupeer login page, enter your credentials, and click on the Login option. Once you're logged in, the next step is to install the Chrome extension. To get started, click on the Start Recording button, followed by Let's Get Started. You'll be automatically redirected to the Chrome web store. Once there, simply click on the Get option. Next, click on Allow, and then click on Add Extension. The extension will begin downloading, so give it a moment. At this point, you should notice that the extension has been automatically downloaded to the Trupeer platform. For acknowledgement, navigate to the Trupeer page and perform a hard refresh. After that, click the Start Recording button again. Now you will see that the extension is activated. That's how you can download the Trupeer Chrome extension using the Edge browser. Thank you for watching.